right, fresh water, fresh horses. Here we are. So this one is 21 grand. Kind of a solo one up here. Oh, God. So this is nice. I like this one. Another nice one where come in, you sit down, you plop your hiney on. Like this. Perfect. Everything you need right here. Sit and eat, cook your food, sleep. And then you got your refrigerator, microwave. Not a lot of storage, but I get it. But somewhat of a tall shower. Room for the header. Nice. Yeah. But, you know, that's why you have, like, you can have like an all-wheel drive van that you can put all your stuff in. This is a nice little pull trailer. Like the Scamp, you know, or the pop-ups. So it's going down here. 21. All right. Let's go over here.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just 5 minutes, the next seminar with Dan the Man Long.
Oh, my word.
Roy Wilkins area. This
Okay.
seminar is at 4 o'clock sharp on sealing your camper and general RV maintenance again with Dan the Man Long.
All right. Yeah. Sounds emotional. So this is a. Oh yeah, this is no room at all in this one. Bad by all, is it? I think. I don't know, man. This is not a lot of room in here. Not at all. Pretty tight. I don't think so. No.
Like 44 bigger?
Trying to get down this bad boy. For old people. Get killed coming down here. Oh, here we go. Upstairs for old people. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of cool. A lot of room, but I don't know. 80 grand. Art Fox 2024 trying to get rid of it. Oh. Again, you're an old person trying to get up the stairs. Me with bad knees. 62 grown-ass man. Soon to be 63, trying to get up down this bad boy. I don't think so. All right, man, Yahoo. Let's go to the next one, man. Bill Clinton, I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky, Yahoo. So, whew, it's hot in here. But, what this one is, this might be a, oh, these are ones we get put on the back of the trucks. Who cares about those? $36,000? No. No. Another one was $53,000. Signature, Rockwood. A lot of these are made in Indiana. See, this should just be solid. This should be locked in solid. None of that. Sorry. Locks in, clicks in. It's solid. Oh my goodness. Signature fifth wheel. You know, here in eat. Some people signing contracts already on them already. It's like, yeah, you best be looking at that thing looked at before you start dropping 90 grand on something. So you have a header up here. I can fit in here. Let's see. Would I shower in the shower? Let's see. Not bad. 6'2" behemoth like myself. I could shower in the shower. Hell yeah. See the workbench looks like. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Got TV up here. Pop on YouTube. Watch my videos. Yep, YouTube. You can watch a lot of good stuff. Hell yeah, man. Yahoo. Having the time of our life, man. I'm looking forward to going Saturday. The Canterbury Park. We'll see what that looks like on Saturday. Like I said, $20 a park for you to get in here. 16th day of January 2024. All right, let's go over here.
Your real chair is mine, but don't.
All right. Rockwood. Got the grills right here. 30 grand for this bad boy. Huh. All right. See. Oh my goodness. Not bad. Nice. If you're single, you know, you in the wifey poo. Yep, it's right here. TV rolls out. You can sit right there. You got your cooking over there. You can sit right there and watch. Not bad. Yeah. All depends what you want, as long as it doesn't leak. That's all I'm asking, especially up in through here. That's all we're asking. Don't break. I'm not getting all of them, so. This one is the Rockwood 38 grand. Not bad. And we're going to initiate it. Oh, yes. Whew. Do a little crop dusting. So this must, I don't know if this is, must go up, I think. I don't know. I don't know if it does or not. I have no idea what that is all about. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I have no idea. Kind of a weird layout. Not so much. Probably the bed right there. Kind of a weird layout. No, that's, again, I'd have the bigger bed behind me. I would make this into a storage area for all my stuff. And I put a bed in there. No, bad layout. Nope, bad layout. It's a really weird layout. So strange layout.
Look at you, man. You don't want to miss a beat.
No.
You want to know which one you're finding, huh?
Yeah. So it's a weird layout. I would put the bed over. They should have a bad bed there. Then the corner would be storage area. Strange layout. But yeah, that was bizarre. So these are kind of like these are nice. So if you've got a couple, and the family can go over here. This is nice. This is a nice one. This one is 33 grand. So Rockwood 2024. So that's, oh, this can sleep a lot. Oh yeah. So you have a big family. They can have their own bed, the boy, the girl, whatever. Not bad. Nice. You know, if you buy, you know, you can always put your golf clubs over, your bikes over there, or something you really want to do. Who knows? But yeah, that's not bad. Yeah, just some of these layouts are just like, what the hell are you thinking? What the hell are you thinking? I don't get it. They make it simple. And don't have too many stairs in there either. Old people are in these things. The bed's over there. That's kind of nice. So this is a nice layout. Yep. It's nice. 45 grand. So on the other side, she's talking, the bed. So it's kind of nice. It's a nice layout. Did a good job. I like it. Very nice. 45 grand. Again, you get the all-wheel drive vans to pull it. Something substantial. But here's the bed. But this one's 35 grand. See, they pop out like that. See, the edges kind of like a pop-up. So that's kind of cool. But you don't want too many stuff coming in and out. You don't want too many fold-outs because that's when things screw up. But it's kind of nice. You park this thing for like a whole month or something. Maybe you and your brother, your sister. She sleeps there, you sleep there. Very nice. I like it. I like that version right there. It's a nice bed. Big TV. You can sit right here with your better half. Not bad for 35 grand. Give or take 40 grand. Yep. Not the bad at all. Oh. But, yeah. A nice head. Can't shower in that shower. They won't let me look at it. This is 45, so now we're getting into bigger ones here now. Walk right into the master room here. Nice. Got the head. You can shower in that shower. It looks nice. Kitchen. Nice area. TV. If you watch YouTube, watch me walk around. You have Disney for the daily woo. Refrigerator. Nice. It's a nice layout. I like it. It's nice for a couple. Better not have no children. Nice. Very nice. 45. I like it. Very nice. Better layout than some of the other ones. Oh. There's a rockwood here. All right. Oh. Ooh. Breaking it in. Ooh. Pounding one out. A little crop dusting. It's a nice area. Nice kitchen. Nice. Very nice. Go to this next one here. This is the next one. Smaller one. This one is 47,000. Rockwood 2025 ultralight. So let's get into these other ones are 25 grand. Let's see. All right, this is a single one for myself to pull. Ooh, I don't know. Kind of strange. See, I would have, this would have been down on a bed. I don't know, man. I know this all weighs down, but for 25 grand, no. No, because it doesn't have a dedicated, I get all this stuff, but they need to have a basic, bigger bed out farther. I get it small and compact. For 25 grand, not worth it. Not worth it. Nope. Sorry. Shower in the shower. Can't look in there, so how am I supposed to know? So I don't know. A little too small. I get it what they're trying to do, but nope, I wouldn't buy it. Sorry, I'm not gonna do it. Oh. So, let's go over here. Some of these are the smaller ones. These are the pop-ups. These are cool as hell. And they have like used ones here too as well. So here we go. 35 grand. No, it's again, you're gonna do this. Gotta have the bed over here. Sorry. Take that out of there, don't need that. Come in here, you sleep, the head. That's the head looks, I mean, not bad. But I'm just telling you. So anyways, guys. Alright. On the next one, but like I said, you're gonna shower, you gotta have a bed there.